Project management tools. There are a myriad of tools we can use to manage and track our projects. I find the one most essential in my tool bag is Gantt charts. This takes into account that the project has been initiated, all the terms and conditions have been met, your resources are available, the customer is now expecting a schedule so their stakeholders are aware of the delivery timeframe and who will need to be involved at what stage. A Gantt chart is a simple graphical representation of the work to be done and the schedule for completing it. The Gantt chart consists of a number of rectangular bars, each one representing an activity in the project. The length of each bar corresponds to the estimated time it will take to complete the activity. These bars are arranged across a horizontal timescale with the left edge of the bar lined up with the scheduled start activity. The bars are arranged vertically in the order of scheduled start date. The resulting picture forms a descending stair-step pattern. That is, after all, where the detailed tasks of doing work would occur. The finish of the bar would occur at about the project completion date. That is where testing and documentation for your project would occur. It is one of the most convenient, most used, and easy to grasp depictions of project activities that I have encountered during my career. The chart is formatted as a two-dimensional representation of the project schedule with activities shown in the rows and time shown across the horizontal axis. It can be used during planning, for resource scheduling, and for status reporting. The only downside to using Gantt charts is that they do not contain dependency relationships. Some project management software tools have an option to display these dependencies, but the result is a graphical report that is so cluttered with lines representing the dependencies that the report is next to useless. All contemporary scheduling software packages also produce task lists by resources, resource loading, and other critical planning and tracking information. The project scheduling package can also be used as the basis for project tracking and reporting. However, these tools are a classic example of garbage in, garbage out. If the planning process is flawed, the resultant schedules and other information produced by these tools are simply false and dangerous. That is why we have to be very diligent during the planning process, involve all the main project resources at this time, obtain their input to ensure realistic depiction of the project delivery and main milestones. The Gantt chart becomes the essential project modeling tool for each person on the project. Most desktop-based scheduling tools will provide this chart, which will provide each team member with a clear picture of their individual work effort. While the overall project Gantt chart provides each team member with a common vision of how the effort of all team members combines in the project. They are also the most useful basis for tracking. To find out more about project management tools, visit www.cr1projectmanagement.com or click on the link below.